6 Steps to Improving Page Speed with Core Web Vitals. Optimizing site speed and user experience is a lot of work and gets complicated very quickly. It requires a lot of individual work and collaboration between site managers and web developers to make improvements to a site. In late 2021, Google created new Core Web Vitals metrics to give site owners insights and tips on what to fix. According to Google, people are 32% more likely to bounce from a mobile website if page load time goes from 1 second to 3 seconds. The question is, what are Core Web Vitals? Core Web Vitals are made up of 3 factors make up Google's page experience score. First is the largest contentful pane or LCP. This represents the amount of time to render the largest content element visible from when a user lands on a page. First, input delay. A website user may bounce if browser response is slow after the first interaction. Next. Cumulative layout shift or CLS. It represents a page's stability as it loads. A high CLS might also lead to people clicking on a link by mistake. How to improve Core Web Vitals? There are a number of measures that can be taken to improve CWV scores. First is to compress and optimize images. Audit all images on the site. Compress and optimize the files to reduce the size without impacting quality. Second, remove dependency on the jQuery library. Remove all jQuery references and replace with plain JavaScript. This should improve the initial load of the site as the connection to download the jQuery script is no longer needed following this change. Third, shift to a lighter WordPress theme. This can lead to unneeded processing on the backend. Understand which features are needed and scrap the others. This will help sites to render faster. Fourth, restructure code for mobile experience. This helps to ensure that device type is detected immediately on the first request and only mobile-specific resources are loaded. Mobile scores should improve after making this change. Fifth, create a dynamic system for initial page load. A dynamic system in place for the initial load of the page only above the fold are loaded immediately. It allows to occur faster with below the fold content loading asynchronously after. 6. Removed and restructured CSS. Refactor CSS to be more precise and specific to achieve a lighter and more efficient CSS usage throughout the site. Removing redundant or unneeded CSS from the site can help to improve load times. Understanding the importance of Core Web Vitals. Page speed is instrumental in how students perceive your brand on the web. For more detail, visit us on firstpage.asia. Email us on info@firstpage.asia.